Good morning, class. How is everyone? Good, that's good. So today we're going to continue learning about timelines and different ways you can use them. Today we're going to watch a video on the story of the little old lady who wasn't afraid of anything, and then we're going to make a timeline based on those sequence of events. So I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to
Once upon a time, there was a little...
Stop. And we're just going to watch this. And I want you guys to think about what order the things happen in. And we're going to discuss it after we get done reading this.
Old lady who was not afraid of anything. One windy afternoon, the little old lady left her cottage and went for a walk in the forest to collect herbs, and spices, nuts, and seeds. She walked so long and so far that it started to get dark. There was only a sliver of moon shining through the night. The little old lady started to walk home. Suddenly, she stopped. Right in the middle of the path were two big shoes. And the shoes went clomp, clomp. Get out of my way, you two big shoes. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady. On she walked down the path, but behind her she could hear two shoes go clomp, clomp. A little farther on, the little old lady stumbled into a pair of pants, and the pants went wiggle, wiggle. Get out of my way, you pair of pants. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and she walked on. But behind her she could hear two shoes go clomp, clomp, and one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. Farther still, the little old lady bumped into a shirt, and the shirt went shake, shake. Get out of my way, you silly shirt. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady, and on she walked a little bit faster. But behind her she could hear two shoes go clump, clump, one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, and one shirt go shake, shake. A little ways on, the little old lady came upon two white gloves and a tall black hat. And the gloves went clap, clap, and the hat went nod, nod. Get out of my way, you two white gloves and you tall black hat. I'm not afraid of you, she said, and on she walked just a little bit faster. But behind her she could hear two shoes go clump, clump, one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, one shirt go shake, shake, two gloves go clap, clap, and one hat go nod, nod. By now, the little old lady was walking at quite a fast pace. She was very near her cottage when she was startled by a very huge, very orange, very scary pumpkin head. And the head went boo, boo. This time, the little old lady did not stop to talk. She did not stop at all. She ran. But behind her she could hear two shoes go clump, clump, one pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle, one shirt go shake, shake, two gloves go clap, clap, one hat go nod, nod, and one scary pumpkin head go boo, boo. The little old lady did not look back. She ran as fast as she could and didn't stop to catch her breath until she was safe inside her cottage with the door locked. She sat in her chair by the fire and she rocked and she rocked. It was so quiet in her cottage before on the door. Should she answer it? Well, she was not afraid of anything. So she went to the door and opened it. What do you think she saw? 2 shoes go clump, clump. 1 pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. 1 shirt go shake, shake. 2 gloves go clap, clap. 1 hat go nod, nod. And 1 scary pumpkin head go boo, boo. I'm not afraid of you, said the little old lady bravely. What do you want anyway? We've come to scare you. You can't scare me, said the little old lady. Then what's to become of us? The pumpkin head suddenly looked unhappy. I have an idea, said the little old lady. She whispered into the pumpkin's ear. The pumpkin head nodded, and its face seemed to brighten. The little old lady said good night, closed the door, and whistled on her way to bed. The next morning, she woke up early. She went to her window and looked out into her garden. And what do you think she saw? 2 shoes go clump, clump. 1 pair of pants go wiggle, wiggle. 1 shirt go shake, shake. 2 gloves go clap, clap. 1 hat go nod, nod. 1 scary pumpkin head go boo, boo, and scare all the crows away. The end.
All right, so now we're going to talk about it. If you guys remember from yesterday, we talked about how timelines have to be in the same order of the events that happened. So what was the first thing that she saw on her walk? Good, the shoes that went clomp, clomp. And the next thing she saw was, right, the pants that went wiggle, wiggle. And the next, it was the right shirt that went shake, shake. And then the gloves that went clap, clap. Then next, we had the hat that went nod, nod. And then lastly, we had the pumpkin head, which said boo, boo. So now that we have talked about what sequence all that happened in, I'm going to pass out the timeline that's on the board right now and the sequence cutting paste. So you're going to just put those in the order and match them with which ones they go with, and you're going to paste them up here on this sequence. And then after you're done with that, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that, and then I'll explain. All right, good job. So after that, we're just going to review now. So does everyone understand what happened from the beginning of the story to the end of the story? All right, good. So now that we understand everything that we've learned today, let's get packed up and I'll see everyone tomorrow.